So in this video, we're going to start to look at the arms as well as the chest. So it's not going to be a full-on sidewinder, how we usually would think about doing sidewinders, because we've got the band and we're going to be training in a slightly different way. So, you need your band, resistance band. Mine are 1.5 meters long. They need to be at least that long for other stuff, maybe not so much for arm work, but definitely if you're going to do full body and stuff like that, it needs to be at least 1.5 meters long. Black is really strong, blue is medium. There are lighter ones than these, so if you're recovering from injuries or anything and do rehabilitation, you might need like lighter bands and stuff. Or if you're brand new to it, they might be too heavy, as in too much resistance, so you can find for yourself. But I have ways of making it easier for you. So what you do is you grab the band, and the closer your hands are together, and then you pull, the more resistance you're going to get. The further away your hands are, the less resistance you're going to get. So you can also make it harder or easier that way. You're going to bend your knees, you're going to pull your tummy in and lift the chest. Now, if you have no idea what Sidewinder is, I said, well, as you go to my YouTube page and look at the videos first on how to do Sidewinders, because there's a lot of details that go into it, right? And then come and see me and come save this video for later. Otherwise, off we go. We're going to go straight in. So, as a reminder, let's get our posture. Let's do it with the chest, not with the hips today, just with the chest and with the arms. And think about moving from the right to the left. Okay, and then think about keeping the neck long and the floating and the space that you're creating in the body. No hinging in the back, no leaning back. Never ever feel pain in your spine ever. It's very bad for you, of course. All right, so again, I'm not doing crazy sidewinder right now, because now we're turning your hands into fists, and imagine you're pulling two opposing energies away from each other as you do it. And that's going to be your band, right? So we grab the band. Again, come up fast, and then come back. All right, so I'm going to get what resistance I feel I'm going to need, and then I'm going to start stretching. So I want you to just pull and pull. Engage your tummy. Make sure you're breathing. Pull, 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 pull. Okay, great. So we're going to add that in now with the motion of the arms. So, taking it over. So, again, a lot of my students have been asking me to share these exercises that I do in my classes. They knew me for years and years and years and years. And then finally someone said, can you share them with us? So here we are, okay? So we snake the chest, try to keep the figure of 8 in the chest going. And use the band. You're kind of pulling the band in opposite directions as you do the motion. Okay, so I'm going to the right, but I'm pulling my left hand back. There are many ways to do this. This is just one of the ways. Yeah, and then you pull, and pull, and pull. Keep the neck long, don't move the neck, don't bring your shoulders up. Okay, pull the tummy in and engage. I'm very grounded and very heavy through my legs. And then reaching and pulling. Your arms are really working. So 8. All the music I'm listening to in all of my videos actually are from Tribal from the Trap, which is the artist that makes Tribal from the Trap music, but it's also my style of tribal fusion. And my style of tribal fusion is very feminine, very feline, very kind of, I don't know, sinuous, but like panther, like cats. So we're moving, there's an element of softness, but we're really always trying to move through the body. So these exercises are really, really, really helpful for us to understand how to really get into the body and keep everything moving without stopping and keeping everything really fluid but feminine at the same time. So, there it is. If you want to continue with it, rewind, do it again. And if you really want to challenge, look at other videos and do them all. Okay, thank you for watching. It's melissabellydance.com. I hope you enjoy it.